Experiencing problems activating your ultra-mobile eSIM? First, ensure your device is eSIM compatible, like iPhone XR and newer models, or Samsung Galaxy S20 and above. Confirm you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection, and ensure your device's battery is at least 50% charged. Restart your device and toggle airplane mode on and off to reset connections. Software conflicts can interfere, so temporarily disable VPNs, firewalls, or beta operating system versions. The Ultra Mobile app includes an automated diagnostic tool to identify and resolve activation issues. If problems persist, manually select the eSIM profile in your phone's settings after download. If outside the US, ensure international roaming is properly set up. If basic troubleshooting fails, consider these advanced fixes. Ensure your device's date and time are synced via NTP. If using a custom ROM on an Android device, flash the stock firmware to avoid profile corruption. For persistent issues, contact Ultra Mobile support for assistance. Their average resolution time is around 2 hours. Looking ahead, eSIM technology is rapidly evolving. Ultramobile's app now supports multi-profile management for travelers. Future trends include increasing adoption of eSIM-only devices. AI-driven diagnostics are being implemented to proactively prevent activation issues. Enhanced security measures like biometric verification are also being implemented to combat SIM swapping attacks. Keep your Ultramobile app updated to benefit from the latest improvements and security features.